Today I will show you how to perform a vertical installation of the Polymac profile with intercalated molding. Unlike the M15P U-shaped molding, which only allows a linear installation, the intercalated molding allows for an infinity of design possibilities. Once all required moldings are installed, proceed with the first panel. Make sure that the first panel is level, as it will guide you throughout the installation. Insert the intercalated molding at the top of the panel. Make sure to insert the small side first. Before reaching the top of your wall, install the first part of the J-trim in 2 pieces. You can then continue with the next panel. Use the spacers to ensure the same half-inch space between each panel. Once both panels are fastened, screw the intercalated molding in place. One of the advantages of intercalated molding is that you can be creative with your designs. Today, I have chosen to do a half-and-half installation. Therefore, the middle of my next panel will align with the middle of the intercalated molding. To facilitate the installation, I have marked the center of my next panel to align it with the center of the intercalated molding. Use the spacers to ensure an equal gap between all panels. Then, add the intercalated moldings at the top and bottom of the panel. Now take the measurements for the top and bottom panels. Start your measure from the intercalated molding. Once your panels are cut, install them. Repeat these steps for the remaining panels until the end of the wall. Use the spacers and a laser level to ensure the alignment of all panels throughout the installation. When you get to the end of the wall, install the first part of the J-trim in 2 pieces. Then, measure the remaining panel and proceed with the cut. Install the remaining panels. Then, add the second part of the J-trim in 2 pieces, both at the top and the side of your wall.